Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing delivery from HackTheBox. I rate this box about a solid easy, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay, first we'll start by splitting our terminals here. I'm going to start by ping the IP address. We'll do ping -c for the count, and we'll ping the IP address. It does seem like the IP is up, so we'll start nmap scan here. Do nmap -sc for default scripts, -sv for enumeration, and we'll scan all ports on the IP. I'll do verbose so we can see the ports as it is being scanned. It does seem like we do have port 80 discovered for HTTP, and we do have port 22 open for SSH, right? Doing this, we can visit the IP address. Here, it does seem like we do get a help desk, which is helpdesk delivery.htb. So we can just copy this. We'll VI into our /etc host. We do have the HackTheBox here. We'll do 10, 10, 10, 222. We can tab and delete that. And we can just right quit out of this. So now we can refresh this. And we do get a support center where we can open a new ticket and also create or check the ticket status, right? Here, so we'll just create a new email. We'll do testing proxy@gmail.com. Yeah, we'll just create gmail.com. I'm just going to copy this, put this in our text editor because we're going to be needing this for later on. We'll create a new name as proxy. We'll create a fake phone number. We'll select the topic for contact us, and we'll just do test. And we'll do testing for the body, right? So we can enter the CAPTCHA 94EC3. Press enter on this. And you do see that we get a corporate email now with the ticket number followed by delivery.htb, right? So now we can visit this. Here we can actually add this to our /etc host too by adding delivery.htb. So we'll VI into /etc host again. We'll go into our interactive mode and go to Control V that, delete that. We can right quit out of this. Visit this. We can do Control U to view the source code. Doing a little bit of enumeration. You'll see that we do have delivery.htb, which is running on a different port, 8065, and it is Mattermost, right? So we can copy we can open link in new window, take off the view source, and we get this page for Mattermost, right? So next, let's try it by checking the ticket status. So we did have our email here. We could just copy this, and we can also get our ticket, right? So we can view our ticket. But since we do have a corporate email, we can actually use Mattermost to sign up, right? So we can create one now. We did know that the email for the ticket was, we can email delivery.htb. Copy this. We can choose a username as we'll do proxy testing, and we'll create a password. So now we can go back. We can refresh this page. Doing this, you do see that we get a registration successful, and we can activate our email by going to this right here, right? This link. Password that we created, password 1. We can save this. We can join our internal team. We can skip the tutorial and look at this. You do see that we have a message from root, which is we do have credentials for the server, which is mail deliver, and a password with you got mail, right? So we can just copy this and see if we can try to SSH into the server, right? So we'll just SSH. We'll Control V at 10, 10, 10, 222. And we do have you got mail, so we can copy this. And we do get a log successful for mail deliver, right? So we can do Control Shift Z, so we can actually zoom in and turn this to full terminal. We did know that this was Mattermost. This is running Mattermost, so we can just search up Mattermost MySQL config.json, right? Or you can either just search up Mattermost password. And here, looking at this, look at this. You do see that under the Mattermost database, We can actually find this under opt mattermost config.json. So we'll just try to cat this out. We'll do it like ls-la, see if this path does exist. It does seem like it does exist, so we'll just cd into this path. And we do have config.json, right? So we'll just cat the config.json, and we'll just grep this out to -i. We'll see what there is here. So here, let's try to grep out the mm user, which is Mattermost user. And doing this, you do see that we have mm user followed by the password, right? So we'll just log in. You'll do MySQL -u. We'll do mm user. We'll specify -p for the password. Control V, and we do have a long successful for the database, right? So we'll go to show databases, and we can see the value, the databases. We do have information schema and Mattermost, so we'll just use Mattermost. Now it is database change, so we can show the tables. Doing this, we do have down here, we do see that we have users. So just to output this out from the we'll just zoom out real quick, and we can select star from the table, and it's going to output the information from the table, right? Doing this, you do see that we do have the email followed by the hash or the password, and you have a username and also the ID. So here we're going to try to get the hash for a root at delivery.htb, which should be the root pass. So we'll get out of this. So I do have a directory from under my Vuln hub, which is a box called alpha. I did create a word list that does generate a word list with it generates the word list with the string, and then adds numbers to the end of it using reconnaissance in Python. So we'll just copy the generate word list to /root. It was a /root HackTheBox delivery. And we can also copy, let's see, wordlist.txt, and we can copy our start script.py, right? So we'll see into HackTheBox delivery. And we do have those scripts right here, right? So we can vi into generate wordlist.py. Here we're going to be using we're going to import our random. You do see that we do use the method for reconnaissance. So we're going to be changing that. So we'll just change the reconnaissance to 0, or we want to generate numbers from 0 to 100. And hopefully get lucky to actually output the root password, right? We'll vi into generate word list. We do have that. We can vi into start script. All I have here is the os.system, which is going to basically output it to an output.txt, right? Which is going to generate our word list. We do have word list.txt. You do see that I just have a bunch of strings here from the last box I did. So in this case, our password was going to be please subscribe. So we'll open like a leave pad wordlist.txt, delete this. We can copy this and put this like, make a large enough word list so we can actually get the root password, right? So the longer the word list, the more chances we have of getting the password. So we'll do Python 3 start script.py, and this should generate a output.txt, right? And we do have, you do see that we have a string followed by the number at the end, right? So now we can use John to crack this. So we'll use John minus word list is equal to output.txt, and we do have hash.txt. Doing this, it does seem like this was cracked. So we can just do John hash. We'll do minus show, and you do see that we have please subscribe 21, right? You could also cat out, just to confirm that please subscribe was in the word list, we can cat out output.txt grep 21, and you do see that the password please subscribe 21 was in the output.txt, the word list that we did generate, right? So I'm gonna do Control Shift Z, so we are in here, so we can zoom out. We'll just X out here. We'll zoom in. We'll switch users to root. We do have the password, and we can cat our root.txt, right? Well, that was pretty much in the box. If you guys do want more retired boxes from HackTheBox, just leave a like, and I'll create more boxes, right? Well, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.